Hi all, good morning. Recently I have posted my credit card collection video in this channel. So I used to share these links to my friends, close friends. So they used to watch those videos. And once one of my friend has commented, has messaged me in WhatsApp like, "Hi Dito, I like the way you are presenting. I used to share these videos to his friends also, but he's not able to understand those videos. But then only I was thinking, yeah, he's not from Kerala. Like if he wants to understand those videos, it should be in English. So like he haven't told a single word like why can't you translate to English or why these videos are in Malayalam so that I can watch or I can share to my friends. But he's just told yeah I can feel your content like your presentation. So he just asked me to keep creating more videos. So I thought why I couldn't translate these videos to English. So when I was checking, there were two options. One you might have already seen. Currently, in most of the YouTube channels, I'm able to see that. Like I used to watch few Malayalam YouTube channels like fishing channels, other or like food channels or like other new contents like tech channels. So in those channels, I can see like they have already posted these videos in Malayalam. While they are posting these videos in Malayalam, like I can feel their touch. Like I'm much interested in watching those videos. But so they have also tried translating those videos to English, but in a different way. When I was checking, like I can see an AI generated voice, and it was like I can debut a little bit. Like it was like, "Hi, they were taking a rod. A fish came out, and they grabbed the fish." Like I feel like I felt like a little bit irritating itself. Like I'm not feeling it as a natural one. So I thought to take the second option. You might not have watched this version yet because I'm going to start the review. So there will be few limitations. My language will be maybe wrong. My accent will be surely wrong, but I feel like I can communicate with you. So here I start with my credit card collection video in English. These are my present credit card collection. So I will explain you each credit card one by one in brief. This credit card is SBI Cashback credit card, and this is much useful for everyone because this credit card has no limitation for the cashback. That means it's not like a limitation on the amount of cash, but the platforms. Using this credit cards, we can get 5% cashback from any platform, any online platform, and the monthly limit will be 5,000. It is much more than enough. So this is a recommended card for everyone because there aren't much restriction for any platforms. Just like other cards, we can see much a big list of exclusions. This card is not including any type of such exclusions. And another good shopping credit card from ICICI. This is Amazon ICICI credit card, and this has special benefits in the Amazon platform. Just like if you are a Prime member, we can get directly 5% Amazon cash as cashback, or if you are non-Prime, you can get 3% of cashback, and this is lifetime free. The other credit card which I have just shown before is having an annual charges of 1,000 rupees. This is my third credit card, HDFC Swiggy credit card. We can avail direct 10% cashback on all Swiggy Instamart orders. And I would suggest this card for everyone because if you check out your Swiggy account, for most of them, this card we can get as lifetime free. And for few, we can get as a first year fee. And later on, we have to pay an annual charge of 499 plus GST. But just check it out. For most of them, it should be lifetime free. I have received this card as lifetime free. This one is Airtel Axis credit card, and I would suggest this card for all utility payments. This is one of the best card for utility payments, as we can get direct 10% cashback on utility payments like as electricity, recharges, broadband payments, and everything. And one of the special offer what we have on this card is like we can get up to 25% cashback on Airtel payments, Airtel recharges, Airtel broadband payments, etc. So I would suggest this card for the utility payments, and it's a recommended card for the Airtel users. And there is a monthly cap of 250 rupees cashback on Airtel payments and 250 rupees cashback on other utility payments. So I would suggest this card as it is the best credit card for utility payments. This is Federal Bank Signet credit card. This card has launched with multiple offers, but currently they have taken down most of them, including BOGO offers. Now we can only avail buy one get one movie tickets only from Inox platform, that to up to 100. and we know like we won't be able to book a ticket of rupees 100 from Inox. So I won't suggest this card for Boga movie offers. Earlier there weren't any limit for availing this launch offers, but now they have taken down to like early transaction amount for this for availing this offer. So I wouldn't suggest this card anymore for anyone. This is Axis Neo credit card, and it's lifetime free for all. And you can avail this card from the Axis websites. We can use this card for food purchase from Zomato. We can avail directly 120 rupees cashback. That too, we can avail it twice in a month. I would suggest this card as it is lifetime free, and if you are able to manage a card. This is IDFC First Wow credit card. I would suggest this card only for credit card beginners who has to build a credit card score and good credit card journey. There aren't any special offers for this card, but we can have zero for this forex charges for this card. As like if you're doing any international payments, we like usually in most of credit cards we used to have 3 to 8% of charges, but through using this card we won't have any such additional charges such like. So if you're having more international transactions too, you can take this card. I would suggest for that. This is Supermoney RuPay credit card provided by Utkrish Small Finance Bank. I wouldn't suggest this card for anyone because this card has been advertised to get up to 5% cashback on RuPay transactions, but as it is up to, I never received this cashback up to 5. I used to receive 1% of cashback, so I wouldn't suggest this card for anyone. Better you can go for Supermoney Pro credit card provided by Axis Bank. And using that card, we can get up to 3% of cashback up to 500 rupees. And those cashback will be credited on our monthly credit card statement cycle. This is Yes Bank Ace credit card. And one of the most important advantages is like there is no cashback limit on this card. I am using this card for all my credit card transaction, but we won't receive this cashback as real cash in our statement cycle. We will receive as coins. Using these coins, we can avail vouchers on multiple platforms such as Swiggy, Zomato, and like HEO and Amazon. And we have multiple platforms which we can have like 6% cashback, 12% cashback, 24% cashback, and we can even avail 100% cashback on Swiggy Lite. So I would suggest this card for everyone if you are not able to get Supermoney Pro credit card from Axis. That's all my credit card collection video in English. There will be a lot of mistakes in this video. Please comment it out so I can improve later. Thank you.